Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment through Vanguard is one of the most popular ways to invest in the US stock market. Instead of selecting individual stocks, you can purchase an S&P 500 index fund or ETF that gives you exposure to hundreds of leading American companies through a single investment. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Vanguard in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing you have to do is open a Vanguard account. Okay, so you have to open the Vanguard account. If you don't already have an account, create a Vanguard brokerage account. Okay, complete identity verification, personal information account setup. Once approved, you will gain access to Vanguard's investing platform. So a Vanguard account is required before investing. Okay, so now you have to go to buy and sell. Okay, to do the transfer. So select my account. As you can see here, you have everything or every step you need, okay, in these pictures. So select my account, click buy and sell, choose whether you want to buy an ETF or a mutual fund. So select for the SP 500 fund, popular Vanguard SP 500 choices. We have here like VO ETF, okay, VFI AX. Okay, so select VEO, like type VEO into the search box, open the ETF page, click buy. Okay, so as you can see here, you do the same steps, okay, and review the order and then place the order. Click submit or place order during market hours. Your ETF order will typically execute shortly after submission. So as you can see here. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.